Texas City, Texas City. Hey, it's Melissa Walker here with your market update for Texas City. Now, these are a list of the most popular or most active subdivisions in Texas City right now. And so we have Amburn Oaks. Amburn Oaks currently does not have any homes for sale. They do have two homes under contract, which means that the seller found that when their home was on the market, they accepted an offer from potential buyers. In the last 6 months, 7 homes have sold in Amburn Oaks. Grand K Harbor. There are actively 3 homes on the market. They range from 500,000 to 1.2 million. There are 0 homes in Grand K Harbor under contract, and 15 homes have sold in the last 6 months. In Marlo Lakes, we have 9 homes for sale. They range from 212,000 to 253. That's for sale. 2 are currently under contract, and in the last 6 months, we have seen that 23 have sold. Pearlbrook, right off of Highway 3 in Marlo Lakes, as well as right off of Highway 3. There are 11 homes for sale, ranging from 199, pretty much 200,000 to 295. There are 5 homes currently under contract, and 15 homes have sold in the last 6 months. Now, in the subdivision of Texas City, we have 5 homes that are actively for sale. They range from almost 50,000 to 220,000. We have 11 homes that are pending or under contract right now in Texas City subdivision, and 15 of these 15 homes have sold in the last 6 months. Now moving to Hermans Landing, we have 5 homes that are actively for sale, and they range from 218,000 to 297,000. We have 2 homes under contract and 12 homes that have sold in the last 6 months. Now, drum roll, please. The largest community, of course, Lago Mar, has 85 homes for sale, which means they have a home for you. So these homes range from 209 to 441,000. There are 32 homes that are currently under contract, and 88 homes sold in the last 6 months in Lago Mar, which Lago Mar has opened their lagoon for the residents. We will be featuring Lago Mar in the coming up month, so stay tuned. And if you have any questions about your subdivisions, or want to know perhaps what your home is worth or what another home may have sold for, please reach out to me. If you have a real estate question or a real estate need, I am here for you. I am a resource. I am Melissa Walker, Homes by Melissa and the Walker Real Estate Group. We are here to help you. Thank you. Have a great evening.